If you had enough of eating beans in the same way, here is another delicious way of making beans. For garlic green beans recipe, we need these ingredients. First we need to clean green beans and wash them very well. Thereafter, cut beans into half. Normally we don't cut beans into small pieces for this recipe. When these pieces are long, it looks nice. Now we need to bring water to boil and then mix salt with this. Add beans into water and boil them around 5 minutes. Don't overcook, just boil until they become tender. After that, remove beans from heat and drain. Then get a pan and heat butter and olive oil in it. Add chopped garlic into oil and saute until they become light brown. After that, we can add onions, beans and soya sauce into this and cook around 5 more minutes. Before getting it out of the stove, check whether salt is enough for your taste. If you want this to be spicy, add some pepper powder. Try this delicious garlic green beans recipe soon. Until we meet again with another delicious recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell button.